Hey everybody, I'm Tammy at All About Living, and today we're going to have sausage and chicken fricassee. You will not believe when I show you the ingredients how little and how few and how easy this is to put together. And with that, we're going to have some wild rice. And we're going to have some more of that pumpkin because I need to use up that pumpkin from the other day. Here on our channel, we try to show you quick, easy, inexpensive meals that can come right out of your pantry. Because that's the best and easiest way to do it. See what I mean by pantry staples? You're going to need some olive oil, some butter, salt, pepper, sage, a little bouillon, and for wild rice, you need wild rice and water. And for the pumpkin, we're going to need, obviously, some pumpkin. And we're going to need some pumpkin pie spice, which Randy can link at the end of the video where I made that. And some brown sugar. And then you need chicken. And for the sausage, you can either use the hot Italian sausage or the mild and sweet Italian. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is get a medium flame under my new Dutch oven. I love this thing, y'all. I truly do. Alright, we got a medium flame for that. We're going to let the bottom get warm. And then we're going to take this sausage and I'm going to take the skin off and just brown the inside and throw that skin away. Okay, we're going to get this sausage in here. Like I said, I'm just going to take the casing off. Now, this recipe is for Randy and I. It's just the two of us anymore, and we don't need all of that. If you're fixing this for a family, go ahead and use the whole pack and use a whole chicken. For me, I just need 3 of these sausage and 4 pieces of chicken, and that'd be enough for today and tomorrow. All right, let's get this all divided out. Start it to crumbling. Mine's still a little frozen. Okay, it's all brown and broken apart. So now I'm going to go in there and take it out and just set it in this bowl and set it to the side. Okay, now that my sausage is out, I'm going to put probably about 3 tablespoons of olive oil in there. Here, that's probably about 1/4 of a cup or just under. We'll just go with that. Let that melt. All right, now we're going to add our seasonings to our chicken while that is getting warm over there in the pan. Okay, now we're going to salt and pepper our chicken, and we're just, that's a matter of preference, so as much or as little as your family likes. And we like pepper, so I'm going to really do a good job. All right, then we're going to flip them over and do the same thing for the other side. Okay, remember, skin side down. Put that chicken in, skin side down. And we're just going to let that brown for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to flip it. Okay, now while that chicken is frying, I'm going to turn this front eye down on low so that my pumpkin gets done the same time as my chicken. So we're going to get that started. I'm going to take about 1/4 of a stick of butter. And we're going to let that melt, and then we're going to put our pumpkin and our pumpkin pie spice. And if you'd like to know how to make the pumpkin pie spice, there's a card right up there somewhere. Now I'm going to drop my beautiful magic pumpkin in there. Alright, and it's magic cha-cha because it's a cross or like a cultivar of a green stripe cha-cha and like a Seminole. Awesome, awesome pumpkin. And then I'm going to drop my brown sugar on there. 2 good helping. Well, let's go with that. Just so it's covered across the top. Oh, my chicken's popping. And I'm going to put about a teaspoon and a half of my pumpkin spice on there. Y'all, it's just like eating pumpkin pie. Oh, it's so good. Get my lid on there and just let her cook down. Now we're going to flip that chicken. It's nice and brown now. And we're going to let that side cook about 10 minutes. Okay, now it's time to use that bouillon. I have 1 cup of water. And I'm going to put 1 teaspoon. Or if you just have bouillon cubes, just use... My chicken just popped! Okay, let's get this in here and get it all mixed up. Now I have a cup of chicken bouillon. And I'm going to take my teaspoon. And I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of sage in there. Going to give that another stir. And then we're going over to the pan. Okay, first up, we're going to put that sausage back in there. And now I'm going to pour my chicken bouillon and sage all over that. Now we're just going to give it a little stir, make sure we're not sticking anywhere. We're not, because I love this new Dutch oven, y'all. Anyway, now we're going to turn it down to a medium-low. And we're going to let it simmer for about 25 minutes. Okay, now we got 25 minutes left on the chicken. That's about how much time it's going to take for me to make this wild rice. So we're going to get started with that. I need 2 cups of water. To 1 cup of rice. Bang, 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 bang. We're going to get some salt in there. Salt is all relative. That's about how much we like. And I got to find my matches again. Ah, there they are. Get a high flame. Get that pan on there. Get the lid on. Let it come up to a boil. I love it when a plan comes together. You know, everything's going to be done at the same time. Dinner on the table. Everybody's happy. All right, my rice is boiling now. So now I'm going to turn it down to low. Now we're just going to let it sit, soak up all that water. All right, my rice has absorbed 95% of the water, so I'm going to just turn it off and leave it sit. I'm not going to lift the lid. I'm just going to leave it alone. Okay. Now it's time to check. They are just falling apart. All that brown sugar and pumpkin spice. And they are perfect. My chicken fricassee has had 25 minutes. Oh yeah, my chicken is done. All right. All that's left is to make a plate. Chicken. Some of that sausage. Gonna get some of that rice. Look how perfect that rice turned out. Gathering up some of that pumpkin. And I'm going to come back and get a little bit of that fricassee juice to sit on my rice. It's dinner time. I will see y'all next time. Bye.